My name is Samuel and I run 3 apps making $35,000 a month.
$35,000 a month? Who wants $35,000 a month? Write in the comment below. Honestly, I'm excited. I mean, even if I can add 10% of $35,000 a month, I would be extremely happy. My teeth will be all out and I will be smiling and even laughing like this. And you will see me laughing in every single video.
You might think you need to come up with a completely new idea.
I have absolutely zero idea. I don't even have time to use my brain because although I am not at a 9 to 5 just like yourself, but I work 5 to 12, which is 5 a.m. in the morning to 12 a.m. in the morning because I run my own business. I work for myself. No, I'm probably wrong. I work for my family. I work for my team members. I work for my companies. Heck, when I'm paying tax and VATs, I even work for the government. What? Long story short, I don't have time. And also, I want to show off my AI expertise to you. I want to show you how I make money using AI. My 99% done for you program members earn money from AI. Well, their money is much better, much more passive. I mean, they're making all these high ticket commissions with a 99% done for you system. And if you want to learn more about that system, go to this website right here, moshbari.com, or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio, depending on where you're watching this video from, and watch the free training. It's a free training. What's stopping you? It shows you two things: how we make money and how we help our members make these high ticket affiliate commissions with a 99% done for you system. All right, I'm done with the advertisements. Just before we start the juicy part, if you have any questions after watching that free training, send me a DM on Instagram and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel, because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help, because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video. I would just click this grow fast button and it will ask me for two things: the transcript of the video, and that's easy to get. You see that? How to steal other people's video transcript in just one click using a free feature on YouTube and nothing else. You know what, guys? In order to steal and make money legally, you just have to use the free features provided by YouTube and other platforms. Like this shows transcript button, that's it. And always remember, ask AI not to copy anything, not to steal anything word for word. And once the work is done, go back and ask, hey, did you copy anything? Did you steal? AI will say, oh, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have stolen, if it really stole. But if it didn't steal, just like 10-year-old boy, it will say, no, I didn't steal anything. It's all written by me. Anyways, the system in this video is a 6-steps process called Samuel. What? I didn't make this. ChatGPT made this goofy name. Samuel? What? Could have been better, right? This step will accelerate your results. This will make sure you will actually make money. This is your money step. This is where you start making money. This will help you scale and make tons of money. And this step is how we made 8 figures using digital marketing. Looks like it's going to be an amazing video. Starting from step number 1.
You might think you need to come up with a completely new idea, but I just met a guy who does the exact opposite. His strategy is simple. 1, find an app that's working, and 2, make it 1% better.
If it's already successful, I know it's validated.
But don't be fooled. He's not just copying and pasting. And in this episode, he breaks down.
Alright, instead of trying to figure it out all by yourself, spot success. See what other people are doing, do the same, but do a little better, do a little faster, or something that makes customers a little bit happier. Before we go to the next step, I'm going to disappoint you. Especially if you are doing 9-to-5 day job or you have an existing business, you will say, Mosh, this is absolutely not for me. But stop before you start watching the next funny cat video.
Okay, cool. So before we get into all your apps and how they grew, you said that you actually taught yourself how to code. How did you do that? And could you break that down for us?
So yeah, actually I used to be an optician and I had zero coding experience. At the time, I wanted to rebuild a tool I was using for Instagram, but this time I wanted...
Okay, here's the disappointing part. He is a no-code guy just like yourself. I mean, it may not be you, it is absolutely me. I have zero knowledge on writing a single line of code, but hey, I made over $8 million selling softwares from my software companies. So you don't really need to learn coding, but it's an added advantage. This guy did it.
To build it myself using code. I ended up following a 15-hour course on YouTube, and every time I learned something new in the course, I immediately tried to apply it to that tool I was building.
That's impossible. Even impossible for me, impossible for most of you. I do understand. Don't get too disappointed. I'm going to show you super money super fast. Stay tuned. Moving on to the next step.
How to build apps. What would be your advice? What would be your framework or playbook or how you'd get started?
If I were 18 years old now, I don't think I would learn to code the traditional way. I would probably just use AI
That's good. I love it. I love it. And I know you love it too.
coding tools. And with AI today, you can literally build like 90% of most apps. So my
What? 90% of the apps can be built with these applications? Oh, I'm so satisfied. I didn't waste my time learning codes.
My framework today would be 1, pick a real project. 2, ask ChatGPT what you need to learn to build it. So, for example, you go on Google or on Twitter and you find the product you like and
Oh yes, absolutely. You see what I'm doing, right? I wanted to learn about this video, but even before watching the video, I learned about the whole thing just by asking ChatGPT to analyze it for me the way I want to learn and I want to have fun. And in fact, I'm using that analysis to make my video, and my video is giving me money. I'll show you how. Let's keep watching.
you take a screenshot of that page and you ask ChatGPT, how can I build just the landing page to start? And 3, build step by step, asking ChatGPT for help at each roadblock. I would of course ask him to use modern technologies like Next.js, Node.js.
I wouldn't use Node.js. I mean, my developers used Node.js in one of my softwares and it was bad experience. Maybe they don't know how to code. It's up to them.
Awesome. What I really want to talk about.
Bro, we will listen to you later. First, let me tell my audience that A stands for AI assisted build. Use ChatGPT to build apps. Hey, the next step is important because without this, you will be blind and probably you will be at a heavy risk of not making a single penny. So pay attention.
Let's go a little bit deeper on that. When you come across ideas online, what is the actual criteria that you're looking at? What are some of the numbers and websites and things that you look at to know if this is worth building and if this is validated?
Yeah, tell us, bro. I want to be a billionaire today and my audience want to buy a Lamborghini yesterday. They have been waiting for this.
So first, the most important thing, I look for traction. The best signal you can find on Twitter is when founders share their Emerald screenshot or Stripe screenshot.
What did he say? Did he say Twitter? Yeah, Habibi, it's X now. X.com. Don't say Twitter. Elon Musk will come and kill you.
I know that sounds basic, but honestly, it's the ultimate proof that the tool is working and that people are paying for it. Second, I analyze how they are getting their customers. So I use Href to check their traffic sources. So are they getting customers only from ads or are they also ranking on SEO? If they are growing with both ads and SEO, that's a very good sign because it shows a strong demand and it's usually easier to replicate their success.
This is a smart guy. Follow him.
If they rely mostly on SEO, it can be harder because SEO takes time, but it's still doable if I'm patient. And third, I check if
There is one more problem with this. If you find that people are searching for this, you might have to end up using SEO, and that's a slow way to get traffic and customers. Anyways,
the product is technically something I can build and maintain easily. I don't want to build a product that will make me lose sleep maintaining a complex backend. Simplicity is very important for me. And finally, I ask myself, do I actually like the product? Because there's nothing worse than working on a product you don't care about. If I don't enjoy using it myself, I won't have the motivation to keep going long term. So in short, traction first, analyze traffic sources, check if I can build it easily, and make sure I like the product.
That's true. You must love what you do. Not like just because you love something, you're gonna do it. But when you start doing it, make sure you love it because you have to work a lot. You have to build things from scratch. Maybe hire people. Maybe use ChatGPT for days, weeks, and months. Make some mistakes, waste some time, feel crazy. Of course, you can avoid and start making money quickly if you join my 99% done for you program. No pressure though. I'm just saying. And after making some money, you can reinvest it in your passion projects. But yes, passion is important. I was passionate about one project, and that one project made my first $100,000 in just one day. If you search for 100K in my account and watch this video, it's a 1 hour long interview with one of my students, which is basically an onboarding call recording. I logged into my account live and showed my student that $100,000 in one day. Yeah, you can go watch it anytime you want. So this step is match with demand. Now, before we go to the money parts, I want to show you this part because this is what helped us make 8 figures.
And finally, I do affiliate marketing. I did it for all those 3 apps, especially on Story Short. It's super important because not only does it bring clients at a fixed cost, but it also creates virality because I have many people doing YouTube video about Story Short, writing articles, so it brings SEO results, and people are more likely to share your product if they earn a commission. So in short, my growth stack is 1, start with
affiliate marketing. That's what I was talking about. So what made us 8 figures or over $10 million is affiliate marketing. Not only other affiliates promoted our products, but also we promoted other people's products as affiliates. And in fact, all the money these guys made are from affiliate marketing. The reason for affiliate marketing, you do not need your own product. You do not need your own website. You don't need shipping. You don't need selling. And it can match with my 99% done for you system. So we set up affiliate marketing commission system for these guys. They do only 1% of the work and make these commissions. Interested to know more? Go to this website, watch the free training. And if you have any question, send me a DM on Instagram. So what is the money step, Mosh? I'm going to tell you. But before that, let me show you how to make more money.
Second part of the growth, which is SEO. I think too many apps rely only on ads and never got a single visitor from Google. Of course, SEO takes time, but once it works, it's almost free traffic and it compounds. I also use faceless YouTube channels to grow my apps. I even created a feature inside Story Short for this. The idea is that Story Short will automatically publish daily UGC style video about your product on YouTube channels, TikTok and Instagram. You can create multiple channels that talk about your product every day on autopilot. So depending on your niche, this can bring crazy results over time. It works really well. And finally, I do affiliate marketing.
So for a lot more money, he does SEO, which is search engine optimization, and it's crazy boring. But also he does faceless YouTube marketing. But here is the crazy part. When he mentioned YouTube marketing, it is not limited to only YouTube. And that's where you make tons of money. So first let us establish this. They do YouTube marketing or SEO or affiliate marketing and everything else is to get only one thing and one thing alone: customers. But the customers are not only on YouTube or not only on Google searching for stuff. Customers are also on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, watching videos all day long, just like you're watching my video. But hey, thank you so much for watching my video. But I guess you didn't like my video yet. Why not? I mean, who stopped you from liking my video? If nobody stopped you, nobody said that Mosh is a bad guy. Hate him. Don't like him. If nobody said that, then please like my video and share this video with your friends and family. Whether it is helpful to you or not, it will definitely be helpful to at least 100% of your friends and family members. So yeah, ask them to like as well and subscribe to my channel. Also switch on the notification bell button. Yeah, do that when you share this video with your friends and family. I mean, all of your friends and family. And every time I upload a new video, they get a notification, you get a notification, but you should remind them, hey, Mosh uploaded a new video, go watch it. That way you actually help someone who is trying to help you, my friend. I don't know why you're still sitting there without hitting the like button, without hitting the subscribe button. Come on. So all I wanted to say that in order to make a lot of money, you need a lot of customers, and all your customers are on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So when you make one single piece of video, whether it's videos, faceless or face video or AI video, whatever, upload them on YouTube and upload them on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The same video, Habibi, the same exact video, upload everywhere. And all these platforms will send you visitors to your video. More and more views. Then you know what you should do? In your video, you should add an instruction, a call to action, asking viewers to go to your link in the bio or in the description or in the comment, which is an AI-powered sales funnel. The job of this sales funnel is to sell on your behalf. And whenever there is a sale, you should earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And that's exactly how my 99% done for you program members earn these kind of high ticket commissions. The same process with a slightly different and higher quality setup. And the best of the best part, the reason they love our program is that it's 99% done for you. All right, Mosh, that's way too much advertising about your own offer. And I hate it, Mosh. It's a paid offer. You should be doing more charity by giving away more and more of your time and your content and your product. That's what I'm doing. No worries. I'm always uploading new videos. All those new videos have something for you to make money all the time, including this video. So where is the money? Money step is right here. It's very, very important. Pay attention.
Okay, that's awesome. So we talked about the ideas. We talked about the framework for finding ideas. Let's talk about what everyone wants to hear about, which is once you find the idea, how do you grow the business? What growth strategies are you using? And how do you know which ones to do?
It means, how are you getting customers? How do you get your first customer?
So I always start by running ads. It's always the first thing I do. So I do it on Google and Meta, depending on the product. Sometimes it's better on Google, sometimes it's better on Meta. It's the fastest way to validate and test the market. And as soon as I get some traction with ads, I move to the second part of the growth, which is SEO. I think
All right. So the first thing he does is run paid ads to validate the market, because he needs to validate the market. It's a new product. He doesn't know it's going to sell or not. So he run ads to validate the market. In your case, my friend, you do not need to validate the market because there are tons of offers that are already converting. You can just become an affiliate and use this strategy to start getting customers through your content to your done-for-you AI-powered high-ticket funnel. All are validated already. All are high-converting. People are making money. You just need to plug this kind of system in front of your traffic, which comes from your content and which may come from AI. Then you make money without running paid ads. And I'm telling you all this because I know as a beginner, as a 9-to-5er, you don't want to risk your hard-earned money on paid advertisement. Paid advertisement is not easy, and it's expensive, and it's risky. For an entrepreneur who has that mentality of running paid ads, take some risk with his own money, it's okay for him. It's okay for me, but it's not okay who is spending 8 hours per day, literally giving his life on a life-sucking job. It's not easy. So I won't ask you to run paid ads. I do not ask anyone to run paid ads at the beginning. First, use affiliate marketing. Use 99% done for you setup. Make these juicy $500 commissions using free marketing system, which is content marketing, and then reinvest from some of your profits on paid advertisement, get more customers, and make more money. I want to thank Starter Story for this video, and I want to thank you for watching our Samuel system of making money and learning for free. And thanks again in advance for liking this video, sharing with friends and family, subscribing to our channel, and asking others for subscribing to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button. And of course, if you want to learn more money making techniques, watch these videos and these videos. And I will see you on the next one.